morning. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey here, and we are going to do a filter-free makeup tutorial. So this is real life, real face makeup tutorial. So I never use a filter, in case you're wondering. Not what I do, but I've been made aware that there are some people who do makeup tutorials that use filters. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, if you see any of my pictures, you know that they are filter free. They are me, the real me. I don't believe in showing you something fake, because fake news is not cool. So, all right, we're going to go ahead and start this makeup tutorial. I have done my morning skincare regimen, and I primed with my Belif and VDL Aqua Bomb Primer Lotion combo. Yes. All right. And we're going to hop in with some Cashmere, Complexion, and Matcha under the eyes. So why is it important that I tell you that this is filter free? Because apparently, hi buddy, come here and say hi. What, what are you doing? Apparently in the makeup industry, it is a known thing that people... Good morning, Jacqueline. How are you? I'm a little bit late this morning. I've been on Facebook. That people are putting filters on their videos and doing makeup tutorials. And here's the truth. That's not a real look. If you're watching somebody that you can obviously tell has a filter on, then guess what? You're not seeing the real face. And so I'm just tired of fakeness. Fakeness. So I am making sure that you know today this is a real tutorial. Okay, so we blended that in, and I put it around the red spots in my face. We're going to go in now with Cashmere Complexion and shade Buttercream, because this foundation will do the filter work for you. It will blur your pores. It will, I'm putting it on my hand because it has this little doe foot. You could just kind of tap it in here. It's going to blur the pores. It's going to give you the filtered look that you want, and you don't have to post fake pictures. They can be real pictures of your real skin and your real face. You know, I think Hollywood and the industry has made us all believe that everybody, if your skin is not flawless and perfect, then you're not good enough. And that's just not true. I mean, we are real people. We have real skin with real skin concerns. Some people have super dry skin. Some people have super oily skin. Some people have large pores. Some people have blemishes. Do you see how that covered up those blemishes? And that's okay, because we are real people, and real people have skincare concerns. So quit buying all the hype on these beautiful people that you compare yourself to, because their pictures are filtered. And I had a lady ask me the other day, she was like, why don't you filter your pictures when you post them on social media? And I was like, first of all, I'm not that good with all the technology stuff. But second of all, because I want you to see the real me. I don't want you to see some made up picture with me with sculpted cheeks and you know, blemish-free skin. That's not real. We are real women with real skin concerns. And so don't be afraid to share that. Share your true self. Okay, Tattoo Station. We're going to use this to frame our brows, because your brows are the gateway to your face. It's kind of like putting a picture on the wall without a picture frame. You don't want to do that. So just fill in those brows. This pencil is also great if you don't have any brows and you just want to draw a little bit on. This Tattoo Station is a go-to. So I got into quite a discussion. I shared a video last night that was doctors giving honest opinions about everything going on in the world. And apparently social media doesn't want to hear from doctors, because the videos were taken down. And I got a little bit fired up about it because I don't want to be lied to anymore. I can't stand fakeness. Magix dust. Here's the truth. There are doctors out there that have a treatment plan that are helping people with everything going on. And somebody, somewhere, doesn't want us to know the truth. Kind of like those movie stars who don't want you to know that they really do have large pores or blemished skin. And so if we continue to buy this agenda, then we're falling for it. We're falling hook, line, and sinker. I'm done. I'm done living in fear. I'm done comparing myself to pictures of people that look perfect when they're not real pictures. Okay, so I'm just setting that makeup with that Magix dust. It is a setting powder, and it's gonna help blur the pores. It's gonna help cover up those acne scars. It's gonna give you a little bit of that softening on your skin so that you don't feel like you have to edit pictures. Have you got it yet? Have you figured out what I'm talking about? We're gonna use Mono Pop this morning in the Corals color. I love this palette. It's very high pigmented and it looks beautiful. So does that mean don't do your makeup? Don't make yourself feel like you know, look better for the day? No. Do your makeup, but be proud of the way that you do it. Maybe you're not a professional makeup artist. It's okay. If you try and you like the way it looks, it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. We're gonna pick up these two darker colors here, and we're going to work that crease. So maybe you don't like makeup. Then be sure and wash your face and do your skincare. You don't have to wear makeup every day, but do take care of your skin because your skin is going to be with you all your life. And if you don't take care of it, you're going to be able to tell as you age. Nobody wants no wrinkly skin. They want real skin. Good morning, Amanda. Okay, so we're going to pick up a little bit of this. My house is crazy. It is a crazy place this morning. I'm picking up a little bit of this coral at the top, and I'm bringing that in here to give it a little bit of a 3D effect. What do you think? See? Real Jennifer. I'm going to use my True Color liquid liner. Good morning, Cindy. How are you? Are you tired of comparing yourself to filter pictures? It is an industry standard with Hollywood and with apparently with other makeup companies. I didn't realize this. Good morning, Connie. Apparently with other makeup companies, it is an industry standard to do your makeup with a filter on and make it look better than it really is. And here's the thing, my products are great. I know they're great. I don't need a filter. I have chubby cheeks. I know I have chubby cheeks. I'm not gonna filter them away for you. I love you and I hope you love me for just who I am. So quit comparing yourself. Quit being fooled by people that are trying to tell you that, girl, I don't even try. I am who. That's right. We are who we are for sure. Okay, so the eyeliner's on, and it's not perfect, but it's human. So that's my point today. If I can share anything with you guys, it is that you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be filtered. Just be you because you are good enough. The truth will come out and the truth will set us free. I believe that. I'm praying for that. This is, I should tell you, Waterproof Love Mascara. They have these little heart-shaped fibers that are going to come in and they're going to love on my lashes and explode them and give them length and volume. And I'll show you that. My kids are wild this morning. There we go. It's raining outside, and so it's like, do makeup with a filter on? Yes, that is happening, Amanda. Apparently, it's an industry standard. I've heard of people that sell makeup, and then they do pictures, and they post these pictures that look flawless. But the truth is, it is flawless because it's filtered. And I mean, to me, that's not a true representation of your brand or a true representation of your skill set if you're filtering it out. So that's just how I think. I compliments the other day. Oh, that's awesome, Amanda. Good. I mean, Cindy, good. Yes, if you want your skin to be flawless and to look flawless, hold on, it's hard to talk and do mascara at the same time. Look at this. Watch this lift. If you want your skin to look flawless and to feel flawless, it starts with your skincare. Number one, if you don't ever put a stitch of makeup on, if you will just use a good cleanser, a good daytime moisturizer, and a good nighttime moisturizer, you will see a difference in your skin almost immediately. Your skin will glow, it will shine, it will be beautiful, and you won't have to have filters. Okay, so today we are going to do a little Queen Carnation blush in the Love line. Aren't you supposed to be mismatched? I am. My shoes don't match. Okay, I guess I could do mix match makeup. I didn't think about that. Okay, so Queen Carnation on my thing. We're just going to pat it on, giving those cheeks a little bit of color. Just a little kiss. There we go. And we're going to highlight today because we don't need a filter because we are glowing. So the Love highlighter in Fairy Dahlia. This is a beautiful highlighter. Have you ever used a cream highlighter before? Let me show you. We're going to pick it up. Watch this. And here. So, go out today. Be the best person that you can be. Quit worrying about what other people think about you. You are beautiful. You are made to do great things. You can accomplish anything you want. You don't need a filter. You don't have to be fake. Be you. Okay, we're going to use... I think I'm feeling bold today. We're going to go bold. We're going to do Birthday Bomb and Birthday Post. One of my favorite colors. Are you ready? It has some shea butter in it. So it's super, super soft on my lips. And it helps moisturize them because they seem to be so dry lately. Creams blend better for dry skin, ladies. You know, even oily skin. If you have oily skin, if you will use a good cleanser, day cream, and night cream, it will help balance out the pH levels in your skin, and it will actually cut down on the oil. So that is especially like our Belif line. It is made to help cut down on the oil and to balance those pH levels in your skin. So even for dry or oily skin people, a good skincare regimen is important. Big pores, fine lines, wrinkles, all of those things, skincare is what can help take care of all of that. Okay, we're going to add a little Glimmer Kiss and Sand Opal over this. No filter needed. Just us being real, talking girl talk, and trying to get through this life, hoping and praying that everything is going to turn out okay and the truth is going to set us free. So, do it today. Do whatever it takes to live your best life. Don't take a filter picture. Be you and have a fabulous day. Please share this video. Somebody else may want these tips. If you need any more makeup tips or any more tips about filter-free pictures, let me know. I can hook a girl up. So have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.